There is a silent epidemic which is spreading among all aspirants preparing for various entrance exams. You experience it on day-to-day basis, but most of you are not aware of it, unfortunately. Attention deficit. Thanks to these smartphones, thanks to this, continuously dopamine releasing pinging sounds which we are overwhelmed with on moment to moment basis, we are ruining our attention, especially those in their 20s, because of high rate of chatting that happens in your community. You just ruining your attention, and it is next to impossible to focus on any specific task for more than a couple of minutes. It's not an exaggeration, as you already know. So in that case, how do you expect yourself to perform well on the day of entrance exam where the duration is around 3 hours? So this is something which you should work on right now. So what is that you need to do? See, I'm not trying to create panic, but there is an actual problem. All you need to do is get back on track, try to increase your attention span by performing activities in a mindful manner. You can start by disabling notifications. Do not remove apps which you are commonly or frequently using. For suppose if you use Insta or Netflix quite often, deleting them will only lead to reinstalling them a bit later. So never delete those apps which you frequently visit. Instead, try to disable all the notifications, right? And the second thing which you can do is set a particular time in a day to check all the notifications. Usually in the evening time where you'll have all the notifications which accumulate, you can go through them in a specific time period and then, control yourself or regulate your smartphone usage accordingly. Third, never check your smartphone, especially before you sleep. It ruins the quality of your sleep. We've discussed about blue light emission and other ill effects of watching smartphone, especially on your melatonin release. So 1 hour before you sleep, do not touch your smartphone. And most importantly, the final tip which I would suggest you is the moment you wake up early in the morning, make sure that you're having focused attention on any specific task that you take up. It can be reading a book, it can be doing any task or activity based on your choice. Be mindful. So by employing these techniques, you can address your attention deficit issues and in the process enhance your overall experience personally and professionally. Wish you all the best. Love you all.